guys, welcome back to my channel. We are currently on day 11 of our 12 days of Christmas baking. On this episode, we are going to be making pinwheel cookies. I'll link up a bunch of pictures up here for you guys to see. They do look really complicated, but after doing some investigating, they look actually quite easy to make. I'm lying to all of you, I'm lying. For this recipe, it recommends that you use a sugar cookie recipe that you're most comfortable with. So I'm going to use the candy cane sugar cookie recipe that I used in one of the other episodes of our 12 days of Christmas baking. I will link the recipe down below in the description box. What you need for the recipe is 1 cup of margarine at room temperature, 1 cup of powdered sugar. So that first part of the recipe I have already done. You're supposed to whip the margarine and the powdered sugar together until it is very creamy. It's really well whipped. You're just going to scrape down the sides of the bowls and then give it a good whip again. You're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And it says a half a teaspoon of almond extract, but the last time I made these cookies and only used half a teaspoon, I did not like the taste. It was very subtle. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon. You're also going to add the egg in, and then you're going to beat until it's really well incorporated. I'm going to add in the 3 cups of flour. Beat until it's just combined. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take out my scale, just measure out how much dough is here. The reason why you want to measure it out is because it has to be in 2 different colors. You want to make sure that the dough is completely split down the middle. It is 793 grams, so you need 396.5. I'm just going to take the first one and you're just going to pull the dough together. You're going to take the first dough and just leave it a white color. You're going to roll out the dough in a 1/4 inch rectangle. Welcome back, guys. It is Christmas Eve today and we are going to be finishing our 11th video. So let's just jump right into it. What you're going to do is get the 2 pieces of rectangular dough out of the refrigerator and stack them together. This is like the 3rd time this has happened to me, but I left it in the fridge for way too long and it is too hard. I'm gonna try just rolling it out a bit to see if I can soften it up. I'm gonna leave the saran wrap on the bottom here, and then I'm gonna put the red one on top. That way it won't stick to the counter. Maybe it's already stuck to the counter. Oh, I think it'll be okay. I mean, you're just making cookies at the end of it, so it's not like it matters too much. It'll be okay. I'm just gonna roll it out just a little bit more. Start at one end and you're just gonna roll it together. So we'll see if I can get it started at least. Oh my gosh, I'm actually doing it! Yeah, okay. There we go, guys. That's what the log looks like. What you're going to do now is I'm going to get out a baking sheet and I'm just going to fill it with sprinkles. I've got a mix of green and red sprinkles here. Pour them on the baking sheet. Take this log of dough and you're gonna roll it through the sprinkles. I had left the dough in the fridge for about 2 days. I'm not gonna wait for 3 hours to roll this out and cut it because I'm on a time crunch. So we're just gonna roll this out. Slowly cut them into even pieces. You're gonna set your oven for 350 degrees. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, maybe hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!